It's gonna be fun, right?
Yes.
Something we enjoy doing.
Yes, we do.
Season to season.
Season
right?
to season. And we're getting ready going from the summer annuals to the fall annuals. But look at this. Look how well the Black Knight Colocasia did this year. This is just stunning. We've never put that in this bed, and it looks great.
It does.
Angelonia did well. The begonias did well. Coleus got a little bit shaded out by the Colocasia, but they've done well.
They have.
The bed looks good, but now it's time to go.
This is always the hard part for me, though.
It
Right, it's taking it out. Always hard for me.
Yeah, but it's the right time of year to plant the pansies and get them nice and established with some little bit of warm weather that's left so that they'll look good all winter.
Okay, you convinced me.
All right, so let's first take out everything except the Colocasia, because we can save that for next year. I think that's it.
Okay.
Now that will go good in the compost pile. Well, we have the Black Knight Colocasias left. Look how large they are.
Yeah.
We are going to save them, so we'll dig them up and we'll set them aside and work with them later. Yeah, you just got to dig up around the plant and try not to cut off too many of the root systems, but just go all the way around, dig down all the way around the plant. Eventually it will come up and you can move it to wherever you want to plant it.
There you go.
Here's one.
Okay. There you go. I can get that. Look at that. Get it in there.
All right, well, now the Colocasia is gone, and look at the large holes that they created. And this is a good opportunity for us to put a little bit of compost in the garden and mix it in and do a little mending here with the existing soil, and it will replace some of the dirt that was taken up by the Colocasia. We're mixing it in because if you just put this on the ground, it's going to be a different texture, and the roots that grow in it are not going to have, they'll grow in it real fast and then it won't establish into the actual soil that's here. And so you want to mix it all in together so that the roots will be equally happy with both the compost and the existing soil. And we'll just even it out a little bit. Okay, now we're ready to get started with our fall color. We first need to put down some slow release fertilizer. And again, just sprinkle randomly.
Yeah, what is it that your mother says?
My mom says,
I like to hear
feed the chickens.
Oh yeah. Thanks, Mom. Feed the chickens. Oh,
There we
they're
go.
nice and fed.
Doesn't take much. And now we can start planting. First thing we're going to plant is this ornamental kale. This is called Glamour Red. It's supposed to be a very hardy to zone 7A. And we are in 7B here, so we will see how well this does this winter.
We shall see.
This bed is raised a little bit in the middle, and we like to feature these large plants in the center of the bed. We can put the pansies around them, and they will like it better in the center of the bed because it'll be a little bit raised and they'll have a good drainage.
Mm-hmm.
So since these are so large, let's go ahead and plant them first because everything else we have is a small container.
Okay.
And I don't want to pour too much dirt over them.
Got it.
This is hard to get out of this container because it's so bulky. But I don't want to hurt the foliage. And you can see it's a little bit slightly root bound at the end. So we'll just break that circling up just a little bit.
So it's also going to be a good idea to take out some of this dead foliage.
Yeah, I see. I've got a couple of
Yeah, I got
leaves
some
here that has got dead foliage, and we don't need those anymore. Set it in, make sure it's faced correctly with a nice side where the public sees, and we'll fill it in, but not over the top of the container. As you see, you can see this top of this container. We're planting up to it. Normally, after the slow release fertilizer is put down, we usually put down mulch. But we're going to plant these first because since they're such large containers, I don't want to put dirt on top of mulch.
How much do you want?
Looks like you're doing, and I like that you're going in between them and around them.
So why do we put mulch down before we plant?
Well, when you think about it, the pansies are such smaller plants, and the crown of the plant is right at the soil surface. So if the mulch, we keep digging and then we put mulch on top of it, it's more likely that the crown is going to get smothered. So we don't want that, so we put the mulch down because it's easier just to move the mulch a little bit and plant a hole for the plant than it is to try to, can you imagine trying to put this around every little plant? It's very time consuming and it really doesn't work as well as mulching it first.
And trust me, I've done it that way for years until you start showing me the proper way to do it.
And it goes a lot faster.
Oh, it goes a whole lot faster.
Well, we have Dusty Miller here again. This will be a nice color and it will last all winter long in the bed. And we're going to have it as kind of a contrast of colors for the kale and the pansies. Different textured also, so it'll look pretty together. So this is Dusty Miller. And we'll just put a few out in between the kale.
Okay.
It's so bright in color that you want to make sure it looks even when you look at the bed. What you're going to do is you're going to take your trowel, move away the mulch so you can get down to the dirt. Set the plant in, put dirt back around it, and mulch up to the top. Nope, I found a worm.
Oh, goody, goody.
It means we got some nice soil going here.
Good soil.
Now we're ready for the pansies to go in and around all of them. We've got 3 different colors here. We've got a white, a light blue, and a nice dark blue. And these will look so pretty together all mixed up in here. And what we're going to do is it's going to be random.
Okay.
We'll just, for the 3 colors, we'll just start picking up the colors and planting them.
So you keep a count in your head? How many are you going to send out?
No.
Just kind of go?
We've got enough to
pattern.
fill in to where we think that looks good. And I don't really think it needs any more than that.
You think it needs more than that?
We'll plant it and see. And when you're planting these are nicely rooted. I don't think I have to, the bottom of the container is nice. Don't plant these deep, tip to the top. Don't cover the crown. That's the last one.
Is that the last one?
It's the last one.
Oh. How about that?
Well, I think it looks good. It's going to look pretty. The pansies will fill out a little more, so with the Dusty Miller. The kale will turn a nice purple color, and it's all going to look good together.
I can't wait to see what it's going to look like throughout the season, right?
It's going to be good.
It's going to be good. Thank you, Joellen.
You're welcome.
That's always fun.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, thank you much.